Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating an isolated environment so dependencies don't conflict. Install Jupyter and the ML libraries you need. Once done, activate the environment and launch Jupyter Notebook. Make a new notebook and select the kernel tied to that environment. Then create minimal cells, one to import libraries and one to verify package versions. This immediate verification prevents surprises later, and it ensures the notebook will run the exact code you intend without global package interference. Next, load a small sample of your dataset so you can iterate quickly. You want to check shapes, dtypes, and missing values. Run lightweight preprocessing on a batch to confirm pipeline behavior. Once done, switch to GPU or CPU as required and confirm the device is visible in the notebook. Use timing magics and a single training step to validate memory and speed. Make sure to checkpoint intermediate artifacts and keep outputs small to avoid bloating the notebook. Finally, run the full training loop after verifying a single step works. Log metrics and save the best model checkpoint. Export a small inference script or ONCs for deployment. Once done, clear large outputs and export the notebook to Pi for reproducibility. If things go wrong, restart the kernel and rerun imports immediately. Make sure the notebook kernel matches the virtual environment and inspect the stack trace for missing modules or device allocation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.